Where's Steve? I know Steve's somewhere around here, so we gotta go find him. Why don't you come with me? Steve, where are you? Maybe Steve's hiding under the desk. Steve, are you there? Steve, where are you? I know you gotta be around here somewhere, Steve. Steve, are you anywhere in here?
Steve, are you in this pot?
Steve, are you back here? Are you hiding behind this chair? Nope, you're not Steve. You're not Steve either. You're definitely not Steve. Nope, not Steve. Where is Steve? Steve, where are you? Are you in here? Where is Steve? There's Steve. What's happened, bud? Oh, I'm not sure. We'll talk about that. All right, guys, so I'm here with Steve Kozak, the Grand Master of the Texas PPA, right?
Stop it. Texas PPA, yes.
Tell me what you do.
I'm the Executive Director of Texas PPA, so I take care of the membership and grow the association and work with all of our events and help our members get plugged in and integrated into the association.
Which is why I'm here, to get plugged in.
Love it.
All right, let's have some lunch.
Let's do it.
All right. All right, so a big heaping bowl of lasagna at a furniture store actually wasn't that bad. It's time to go get a print from BWC. All right, let's go in and get a portrait. Let's see what they got here. They better have my gosh darn portrait. Anthony, do you have my gosh darn portrait?
I do. I have it right. I'll be right back.
Is that it? Did you say you were comp in this one?
Yes, I know it's for competition. It's very tough.
Jeannie told me last time when I came in that it was going to be comp.
Really? Should you give me the reasons why? Because I will honor what you
Because I'm awesome.
Oh, because you're awesome.
All right, Anthony, I'm out of here. Thanks for charging me for my portrait.
Oh, you're welcome.
All right. Now that we have our portrait, it's time to bring it through the intake process, which simply means we gotta do stuff to it. Check this out, guys. How freaking cool is that? This is so freaking cool. So now I just need to remove the plastic so I can sign it and do some other things to it, and then it'll be ready for the big reveal. For the most important part, the signature. Now I'm going to flip it over and process the back. So on the back, I place a business card, and then I also write a special message to the family, so when they pull this portrait off the wall in years to come or whenever they do it, they'll find a nice little message that they didn't even know about. right, so the last thing that I do is I put the portrait up in my studio area so I can enjoy it a little bit before it actually goes to live in its permanent home with the family. So if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button, and please show the subscribe button a little bit of love. And remember, keep making awesome pictures. I'll see you on the next episode.
Oh, wow.
That's a wrap. Wrap.